Right, as you can see, the mouse does work perfect. That's the serial number. Except for this button here. I don't know if you can see it. It's the button here, side button. It doesn't make any sound, the clicking sound that it's supposed to make. Whereas the button at the back here, it does. You can hear that? So yeah, that's the problem. It came shipped with this button stuck. I don't know if it's possible to fix it. Or everything else, the mouse, yeah, the mouse is fine. It's really good. It's razer, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with the product. But this button does not work. The one here, in the front.